Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve phone charging problem. When try to charge, show this problem, safe charging anomaly problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to phone setting, click on battery and power, tap on charge, click on AI charging protection, turn on this option and scroll down, click on system, tap on developer options and scroll down. Click on default USB configuration and select no data transfer option. Select no data transfer option. Charging problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.